The fertile Meander Valley in western Turkey is the undisputed epicenter of the global dried fig trade.
This single region produces over 60% of the dried figs consumed around the world annually.
The local Sarilop variety is prized for its thin skin and high sugar content and honey texture.
Hot, dry summers and mild winters create the specific microclimate required for this delicate fruit to thrive.
Pollination relies entirely on a symbiotic relationship with a microscopic wasp that enters the fig interior.
Farmers hang male figs in the female trees to facilitate the natural transfer of pollen by wasps. Unlike other fruits, the Sarilop fig is allowed to dry partially while it remains on the branch. Harvest begins only when the stem withers and the fruit falls naturally to the orchard floor.
Laborers patrol the rows daily during the season to collect the fallen fruit before it degrades.
Speed is critical, as contact with the soil increases the risk of contamination and insect infestation.
The collected figs are spread onto elevated wooden racks to continue the drying process under the sun.
This secondary drying phase reduces the moisture content to below 20% to ensure long-term preservation. Workers rotate the fruit manually to prevent fermentation and ensure an even texture throughout the batch.
Experienced farmers judge the moisture level by the texture and the sound the seeds make inside.
Weather conditions are monitored constantly, as unexpected rain during this period can ruin the entire crop.
Protective coverings are deployed immediately if humidity levels rise or if precipitation threatens the drying area.
Once the target moisture content is reached, and the dried fruit is consolidated into transport crates for shipping.
The raw material is transported from the rural orchards to industrial processing facilities in the city.
Large-scale factories receive thousands of tons of product daily during the peak of the harvest.
Logistics teams verify the weight and origin of every batch to maintain strict traceability protocols on site. Figs enter the processing line through a primary hopper that regulates the flow of material. Vibrating conveyors spread the fruit into a single layer to facilitate the initial inspection and sorting. High-velocity airstreams remove leaves, dust, and light debris from the stream of moving fruit. Mechanical graders separate the figs by diameter to ensure uniformity for the subsequent processing stages ahead. Size classification determines the final market value and the specific packaging requirements for each batch produced. Manual labor remains essential as workers perform a visual check to remove damaged or defective units.
The most critical safety step involves screening for aflatoxin and a toxic compound produced by certain molds.
Under ultraviolet light, contaminated figs emit a distinct fluorescence, allowing workers to identify and discard them. The screened fruit enters a washing drum, where it is cleaned with saline water to remove dirt.
Agitation within the drum ensures that soil particles are dislodged from the wrinkled skin of the fig.
Temperature and humidity are strictly controlled to soften the fruit without increasing the moisture content excessively.
The processed figs emerge with a glossy appearance and a texture suitable for the shaping department. The shaping hall is the heart of the operation, where hundreds of skilled workers manipulate the fruit.
The Lorita style involves flattening the fig into a disc and aligning the stem for aesthetic appeal.
Speed and consistency are paramount as workers process thousands of units per shift to meet quotas. The Protobend style requires pulling the stem inward and shaping the fruit into a compact square form. Different markets prefer specific shapes. which dictates the manual processing techniques used on the factory floor. Garland figs are strung together by the stem, creating a traditional circular presentation, often utilized for gifts. Supervisors monitor the output quality, ensuring that the shape and size of every unit remain consistent. Completed trays are transported to the packaging zone, where automation begins to replace manual labor processes. Industrial metal detectors scan every tray to identify and reject any potential metallic contaminants from machinery.
X-ray technology provides a final internal check to ensure no stones or foreign objects remain inside.
Robotic pick-and-place systems pack the fruit into retail containers with high speed and precision. Modified atmosphere packaging removes oxygen from the container to extend shelf life and preserve freshness. Automated labeling machines apply branding and nutritional information required for export to international retail markets.
Retail units are consolidated into master cartons, destined for wholesale distribution centers across Europe and Asia.
The palletizing robots stack the cartons systematically, creating stable loads ready for transport by truck or sea. Finished goods are moved to climate-controlled warehouses to maintain quality before final shipment occurs.
Inventory management systems track the location and expiration date of every pallet within the massive facility.
Quality assurance laboratories perform daily chemical analysis to verify sugar levels and moisture content compliance. Microbiological testing ensures that the final product meets the strict food safety standards of the European Union.
Specialty lines process organic and dark fig varieties, which require separate handling to prevent cross-contamination.
Industrial dicers chop lower-grade figs into small cubes for use in the bakery and cereal industries.
Figs that do not meet visual standards are processed into smooth paste for confectionery and energy bars.
Luxury, this zero-waste approach ensures that every kilogram of harvested fruit generates revenue for the producer.
Maintenance teams work continuously to prevent mechanical breakdowns that could halt the time-sensitive production line.
The sanitation crews perform deep cleaning cycles between shifts to maintain a sterile processing environment at all times. The facility operates in shifts to maximize output during the short window of the post-harvest season.
Shipping containers are loaded directly at the factory dock to minimize handling and transit time.
Trucks transport the containers to the port of Izmir and the primary export hub for the Aegean region. From Izmir, the cargo is shipped to over 100 countries, satisfying global demand for Turkish figs.
Maritime logistics connect the Meander Valley farmers to consumers in North America, Europe, and East Asia.
The supply chain links traditional agricultural practices directly to the shelves of modern supermarkets worldwide.
Export volumes have steadily increased as global trends favor healthy and natural food products.
Agricultural institutes conduct research to develop disease-resistant tree rootstocks and improve yield per hectare.
Modern irrigation techniques are being adopted to conserve water resources in the facing of climate change.
Renewable energy systems are increasingly integrated into the farming infrastructure to reduce operational costs. Despite industrialization, many families maintain traditional crafts associated with the harvest, preserving cultural heritage.
Knowledge of cultivation is passed down through generations, ensuring the continuity of the farming expertise.
The landscape of the Meander Valley has been shaped by thousands of years of fig cultivation.
Historical records indicate that figs have been harvested in this specific region since ancient antiquity.
Today, digital data analysis drives decision-making, optimizing everything from harvest timing to shipping routes.
Premium packaging adds significant value, transforming a simple agricultural commodity into a luxury good.
Value-added products like chocolate-coated figs represent a growing segment of the export market portfolio.
Manual stuffing with walnuts or almonds creates a traditional delicacy that commands a higher retail price.
The diversity of the product range allows Turkish exporters to penetrate various segments of the global market.
Sanitation protocols are rigorous, ensuring that the processing lines remain free of contaminants overnight.
Energy efficiency measures reduce the environmental footprint of the massive industrial processing facilities.
Security personnel monitor the facility around the clock to protect the valuable inventory stored within. The Meander River provides the essential water table that supports the vast agricultural ecosystem of the valley. Pest management relies on integrated biological controls, reducing the need for chemical pesticide applications. Pheromone traps monitor insect populations, allowing farmers to intervene only when absolutely necessary.
Regular soil testing ensures that the nutrient balance remains optimal for fruit development and tree health.
Certification for organic production opens access to premium markets in Europe and North America.
Agricultural cooperatives give small farmers collective bargaining power when negotiating prices with large processors.
The commodity exchange in Aydın sets the daily price benchmarks for dried figs across the region.
Market fluctuations are monitored closely as global supply and demand dynamics influence local profitability.
Education programs train the next generation of agricultural specialists in sustainable farming practices.
Expansion of orchard acreage continues as global demand for healthy snacks shows no sign of slowing.
Entire communities depend on the economic stability provided by the success of the annual fig harvest. The intricate interior structure of the fig remains a marvel of natural engineering and nutrition.
The human element remains central to the process, despite the increasing levels of industrial automation.
Industrial scale allows Turkey to maintain its dominant position in the competitive global dried fruit market. From the branch to the box, and the journey involves rigorous quality control and coordinated logistical effort.
These containers carry the agricultural heritage of the Meander Valley to every corner of the globe.
Exports generate over $1 billion annually, securing the economic future of the region.
The Turkish fig industry stands as a prime example of traditional agriculture adapted to industrial scale.
This concludes the overview of the production and processing cycle of the Turkish dried fig industry. For more detailed analysis of global agricultural supply chains, please consult the channel archives.